We do a computer coding unit starting in December, and it's really to push computational thinking, which is identifying what a problem is, solving that problem, and critical thinking. And so we start in the computer lab with Blockly, which is just coding with blocks, telling a sprite to move forward, turn 90-degree angles, 2 more steps forward. But then we use the robots for hands-on application, and they get to see that math thinking and that computational thinking come to life.
Well, the Autobots are kind of like complicating but really fun as well at the same time.
The Autobots follow a color code, so just a black line it's trained to follow, but then they can add like red, green makes it do a tornado spin, or a certain color code does a left turn or a right turn. And so this project was creating Grand Island and then building the infrastructure of roads using the code to help the Autobots get from one location to the next.
We try to make the biggest house we can to make the town and the world all together. I am doing something like Target, Starbucks, or more things I can figure out.
This is the Library Media Specialist curriculum, and this is something that happens in every building. This is a unit that every elementary school is taught and learns and is exposed to. So it's not just happening at STAR, it's happening at all of our elementary buildings. I want them to identify what the problem is. If they're trying to do a certain code, in this kind of project, are the color blocks the right size? Are they too big? Are they too small? How do they fix that? But it's identifying the problem and then trying to figure out how to solve it.
I learned technology and how robots work up and how our learning can be more fun.
It might not be solved the first time they try. They might have to try again and again and again to get it to work, which is very similar with coding. If you code something wrong, you have to find the point where it stops following the direction and fix that. So it also teaches perseverance and sticking with something when it doesn't make sense or when it's not working.
Well, the most hard things are that when your code doesn't work and you have to try again because you never know if it works again. It's okay to make mistakes because that's how everyone grows and learns.
We work really hard we learn from our mistakes. And I want the library to be a safe place for them to explore, step into things that they may never have seen or tried before, and feel safe enough to make those mistakes, back it up and try again.